Hey guys, today I'm telling about how do I can make my garden fun. So guys, I'll give you some tips you can use and enjoy it. The first one is place the garden under your child's responsibilities. Second one is teach them the uninteresting lessons first. Third one is establish their roles. Look at the garden. Look at these pictures. Wow. Look at the color combination. These are also too much good. Fourth one is let them play in the dirt. Fifth is let them play with bugs. Sixth one is use the plants for practical purpose. Seventh one is track their progress. Eighth one is gardening for kid is fun. So guys, these are very useful tips. Look at beautiful stone. You can use it. You can draw like these things on your garden. I'll give you 10 quick and easy ways you make your garden look great. Lay artificial grass safe. Look at your garden and visit your garden profile. Add some storage. Keep things neat with pot. Edge the lawn. Upcycle some pieces. Sixth one is treat yourself to new furniture. Seventh one is screen off unsightly areas. Eighth one is set up automatic sprinkles. You can use automatic sprinkles. That is really good tips for you. Look at these pictures. Look at sofas, color combination, chairs. These all pictures are very helpful for you